Hello, welcome back to Wonderblade, another multi-tool video. How to attach the blade to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This is a universal fit blade. So firstly, let's start off with this tool. Let's look at it. This is the speed setting right here. And then this is the power. Then this is where to attach the battery. And then here is the lever. This is very important. So you just want to kind of pull a little bit, like just like that. Don't put too much pressure. Just slightly open it. Just like that, all the way. This is where it goes. This is where it ends right here. Doesn't go all the way. This is where it ends. So once you do that with this Milwaukee M18 Fuel, this right here, it's sort of like a, just gotta unscrew it like that. Just like that. Just a little bit. I mean, you could just screw it all the way out, but there's really no point to taking this out. There's really no point. So just, you don't need to go all the way. Just unscrew it just like that. Then attach the blade like this with the logo facing out. You don't want the logo facing in. Well, because firstly, it just doesn't fit like that. It won't fit on the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. So you want to attach it like this, and it's magnetic too to a certain extent. Not as much as the Roby One Plus, but it is magnetic. It will hold the blade. Still got to hold it just a little bit. So once you do that, then you want to screw this adapter back. Not too tight, just snug fitting. Once you do that, then you push down this lever all the way down, and then you'll hear a click. And then that's how to attach the blade. And there you go. And we have also used this in our multi-tool showdown. So make sure to check out that video with the multi-tool showdown, where we check out and test the top 7 oscillating multi-tools. Make sure to check out that video. Link in the description down below or up here. Or you could go to our YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe to Wonderblade for more content like this. If you have any other multi-tools you want us to review or want tutorials on, list them down below and we'll answer them for you. Have a great day.